I often describe the days before volunteering as black days. You couldn't even think or focus or anything. It's like someone's just come along, opened the top and just dropped the brick in, closed it up again. And that's it, you know, it even hurts to think. I was diagnosed with anxiety and depression. I just kind of learned to live with it. Volunteering has totally changed my life. I learned about it through a support worker. I got a support worker and she signposted me.
You should never underestimate the power of a paned, of a cup of tea, of what that can do for someone. It's a real relaxer, isn't it? And you can discuss all sorts of things over a paned. We have several projects within the Volunteer Centre. One of my roles is with a project which has been funded by the Big Lottery, which is a supported volunteering project. We decided to call it Step Up, Step Out, and we work with individuals that just need that little bit of a push, a bit of a helping hand to begin to discover the benefits of volunteering. Working with this project has been a big learning curve about how we can support people with various support needs. Primarily with ourselves, we work with mental health agencies. To help people get ready for volunteering, we'll meet them informally one-to-one and we'll explain whether they want to volunteer as an individual or whether they want to volunteer as a group. Not everybody has to volunteer as a group. They not only meet us here, but we'll actually go and meet them in their area where they live, just to say, right, these are the things that you need to be aware of and these are the areas where you'll get support. So they should have a good idea before they come in of who I am, who the other people are and what they can expect and what is expected of them, really. We sit together as a group and we put together a group contracts of behaviour. So we talk about respect. I suppose we've learned from experience that we need to do that at the beginning and make that clear. I spend a lot of time calling volunteers to say, are you okay for tomorrow? Make sure you've got your waterproofs, make sure you've got your clothes, make sure you've got a bottle of water. The barriers that some of the people face, straight away I would say transport. We live in a rural area, so it's quite difficult to get around. And quite a lot of the people that we work with anyway do not feel comfortable getting the bus. So we work initially with support workers and we use community transport. And then with time, we hope that we'd give them enough support that they can actually get on public transport. In order to keep people going, in order to keep their interest alive, we try to change the activity, so we're not always going to a community garden. So we might go to the animal rescue, we might do litter picking. The food co-op is supported by the Rural Regeneration Unit and it's about encouraging people to eat healthy and making fruit and veg accessible and reasonably priced. But also because some of the volunteers that had worked with us for a while I felt needed to be stretched a bit more. There's lots of skills involved in setting up a food co-op, customer service, dealing with the money. So people come and they can order bags of fruit, salad or veg at £2, £4 or £6. So we take the money 1 week. We're able to choose a supplier, so we've chosen a local supplier who drop the veg off and we bag it all up and then give it out the next week. It's been really successful so far. And we find that the support of the group is just wonderful, really.
I've done everything from picking the litter up in mould to mowing a stately homes orchard. So, you know, yeah, we've worked in a Victorian walled garden up at Moston Hall. You meet new people, make new friends, so you get confidence through that. You learn new skills. It's helped me overcome a lot. I always wanted to beat my problem without tablets, and I always knew I'd find a way to do it. And to be honest, volunteering has been the way. For me personally, it breaks that stigma and it gives me a sense of pride. Like fire inside of me, it's getting bigger and it's getting bigger and it's getting bigger, and I just need to know where to take it now.